Watch what happens when you hold in a sneeze. Your body prepares for a violent explosion. Pressure instantly builds inside your skull, your ears, your throat, even behind your eyes. A normal sneeze can blast air out at over 100 miles per hour. But when you force it shut, that pressure has nowhere to escape. Instead, it shoots backward into delicate tissues and blood vessels your body never meant to protect from that force. In rare cases, people have ruptured eardrums, damaged their throat, and even burst tiny blood vessels in their eyes. So the next time a sneeze is coming, your body is trying to release pressure for a reason.